This video should be really quick. This is the zero exponent. That's what we're going to be talking about here. So one little quick rule that is probably worthy of note is anytime you have a to the zero, this is always going to be equal to one. Okay? And we can give a little demonstration for this. So if we have a to the zero, we can rewrite this as a to the one minus one. Or you could think of this as a over a, okay? And anything over itself is just 1. So that's kind of some intuition for it, I guess. But we go ahead and say any number raised to the 0th power is 1, okay? Um, so the only exception for this is we have a cannot be 0, okay? So this doesn't work for 0 to the 0, okay? The same approach wouldn't work. So we define this for a not being 0. Anything raised to the 0th power is 1. The reason it wouldn't work for 0, let's say we have 0 to the 0th power to the same approach here. We have 0 to the 1 minus 1, which is 0 over 0. And we can't divide by 0, so this is no, we can't do that, right? So we just say that as long as a isn't 0, any number, if we raise it to the 0th power, it is always 1, no matter what. Okay, so let's just do a couple of really quick examples. Let's say we have, I don't know, 9 to the 0, super easy, 1. Any number raised to the 0th power, it's 1. But when it gets a little more tricky, what if you have something like a negative sign, and then we have 8 to the 0? Okay, well, you're going to keep the exponent, you're gonna keep the negative sign, so this will just become negative 1. All right, so this isn't too bad. I just wanted to quickly address this. Hopefully you see this on Alex, but um, anytime you see something raised to the 0th power that isn't 0 itself, it's always going to be 1. Okay.